No, I didn't.
I'm sexy and I know it.
I'm trying to break my treadmill.
Yes, I am. So you can put it back together.
But why would you want to do that to me?
Because I would. Sure, ladies and gentlemen.
Be nice. Oh, she's gonna bite you. Careful.
Can I be in the picture?
I'm not taking a picture.
Then what are you doing?
I'm watching you. Aww.
Look at Chloe. I'm sexy and I know it. I'm sexy and I know it. I'm sexy and you move it.
Be nice.
I'm a puppy, Nana.
You are?
Nana, I'm going in the crate.
Okay, I'm gonna leave you in there. I'm locking you in.